This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Selenium with Python. First, understand that Selenium is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, making it perfect for testing or data scraping. Python's clear and concise syntax makes writing these automation scripts much easier to grasp. We will cover the essential steps to get you started quickly and efficiently, ensuring a smooth learning experience. This easy method focuses on practical application. Setting up your environment is the first crucial step. Ensure you have Python 3.x installed on your system. It's the foundation. Next, open your terminal or command prompt and use pip to install the Selenium library with the command pip install Selenium. Finally, download the appropriate web driver for your preferred browser, such as Chrome driver for Google Chrome, and place it in your system's path. Now, let's dive into some basic Selenium commands. You'll start by initializing the web driver, which opens a browser window ready for automation. Then, you can easily navigate to any website using driver. Get, and providing the URL. To interact with elements on the page, like clicking buttons or typing text, you'll learn to locate them using methods such as finding by ID, class name, or XPath. To truly master Selenium, explore advanced topics like explicit waits, which handle dynamic page loading, and learn to manage browser alerts. The best way to solidify your knowledge is through consistent practice. Try automating a simple login process or submitting a form on a test website. Remember, the more you build, the more proficient you become. Also, for other great deals, and to check out the Oala water bottle, please see the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.